Welcome, this is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question, question number 65. And to this question, the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E, the one that most appropriately completes each sentence. This instruction is applicable to question number 41 to 70, and here we are considering question number 65. And the statement under question number 65 says the prince is under the dash of the uncle. The prince is under the dash of the uncle. The option A say papillon. Option B say patterns. Option C say partisan. Option D say pavilion. Option E say protege. Now, when we talk of papillon, papillon simply means to breed on something, particularly dog. Then when we talk of patterns, patterns is not an English word, it's word out of circulation, so we cannot discuss patterns is not an English word. Then partisans means to engage in something, particularly politics. Then pavilion simply means to make shelter available. Then protege, first and foremost, protege here is a French word. We have the English version too. The English version of protege is takes the same spelling but without hyphen on the two-letter E. Because if you look at option E, on the first letter E after the T there is an hyphen on top, then the E after letter G there is an hyphen on top. That tells us that it's a French word, but the English version of protege does not take an hyphen, so this is a French word, and in both the French and the English version have the same meaning or the same definition. And I want to talk of protege means a person who method someone or who guides someone as the person grows, particularly an older person who is experienced or who is aged, then guiding the younger one or the young fellow. So with this analysis, we can say that the prince is under the protege of the uncle. That is, he grew up under the uncle as a child, then up to adolescent stage, then from adolescent stage to adult stage or adulthood. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.